since nobody was able to come with us to San Diego, we know you're pretty bummed, right? So we decided to give you your gifts early. Okay?
Do you want them?
Yeah? You want them? Yeah. Okay, go find it. We're going to give you a hint where it's at because it's hiding.
It's in our room.
It is in our room. Good luck.
Okay.
Ethan!
Ethan, you stay back here, babe.
Ethan, no, baby.
Yes, they're there.
Do not. No.
Hold on.
We're going. Wait. Wait for us.
I want to see you look for it.
Don't tell me anything. No hints.
You're cold. You're cold. A little bit warmer.
A
Not
little
really.
bit. Too fast. Come here. Open it on top of the bed so we can see you.
Darn it, that was too easy. I
I
told
know.
you. Told you he was going to find it.
Come sit on the bed. He found his birthday
Don't tell him anything.
Don't tell him.
Keep your mouth shut.
Okay.
You know what it is already on.
Shoes. Open.
The other side, maybe? I wonder.
No, it's the side. Oh. Well, there's tape on the side.
Okay.
Toilet paper.
Okay, hold on.
Read it out loud. Read it out loud.
Start from here. Start from here.
Okay.
Read it out loud.
Not your actual gift, but where you find these, you will find your gift.
Where do you find toilet paper? Too easy.
Socks.
No, take the shirt out. Yay!
Oh.
Happy birthday!
Read the
Read
box.
the clue. Oops, or read the box.
Do the noise.
No.
Good job. If you know where this came from, you might find.
Wait.